Hello and welcome back to MCAT Solutions Interview Cracking Series. Today we are diving into a fundamental yet frequently asked interview topic. First angle versus third angle projection method. What exactly is a projection method? In simple terms, it's a technique used to represent a 3D object in 2D views like front, top, and side. This helps us communicate the shape, size, and features of a part on paper or CAD software. There are two main methods used globally. First angle projection. Third angle projection. First, placement of views. In first angle projection, the object is placed in the first quadrant. That means the object is between the observer and the plane. Sequence is observer, object, plane. In third angle projection, the object is placed in the third quadrant, so here, the plane is between the observer and the object. Sequence is observer, plane, object. Second, orientation of views. In first angle, the top view goes below the front view, and the right side view goes to the left. In third angle, it's exactly the opposite. Top view is above. Right side view is on the right. Third, usage. First angle projection common in Europe, Asia, and ISO standards. Third angle projection widely used in the USA, Canada, and ANSI standards. Fourth projection method. In first angle projection, views are projected opposite to the direction of the observer. In third angle projection, views are projected in the same direction as seen by the observer. Fifth, visualization. First angle can be less intuitive for some due to view placements. Third angle easier for visualization and widely taught in engineering design. Sixth, symbolic presentation. First angle used in mechanical drawings and manufacturing industries following ISO standards. Third angle used in engineering and technical drawings following ANSI standards. Commonly used in first angle projection used in automotive, aerospace, and heavy engineering industries in Europe and Asia. Third angle projection used in manufacturing, product design, and general engineering in North America. That wraps up today's session on first angle versus third angle projection. A small concept, but one that holds great weight in design interviews. Remember, clarity in fundamentals shows the depth of your learning. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode of MCAT Solutions Interview Cracking Series. Until then, keep designing smart and stay confident.